Let's talk about double equals versus triple equals in CoffeeScript and why it's leaps and bounds above the JavaScript and TypeScript way. So in JavaScript, you'd have something like this, and you'll see a bunch of different ways to compare here. We have double equals and triple equals. Double equals is kind of a loose comparison, if you will. We're going to use that term for our purposes. It actually kind of coerces this, but for our purposes, we'll say it checks the types and the value. So the number 5 double equals the string 5. This is kind of a loose comparison, so that's true in JavaScript and TypeScript. 5 triple equals the string 5. That's strictly checking the types and the values. In this case, the number 5 is not equal to the string 5. That's false. 5 double equals the number 5 is true. 5 double equals 5 is also true. So these are both equal. And then if we add the triple equals, then 5 does not triple equal 5. Confused? Yeah, I am. CoffeeScript solves that problem. It's not really confusing if you get the hang of it, and also a lot of projects will just use triple equals, but CoffeeScript doesn't even give you that option. CoffeeScript just says, hey, we're going to make this so much easier. So I'm just going to get rid of that. CoffeeScript only allows you to use double equals, and it's always strictly equal. Excuse me. It is like every other language under the sun. CoffeeScript just goes. So for example, we can say console.log, and I might need parentheses here. I'm not sure yet. We'll find out in a second. 5 double equals the string 5. If I say this is going to come up as false because 5 does not equal 5 the number does not equal 5 the string. And again, only double equals exist in CoffeeScript. There is no triple equals. It's not that confusion. Double equals is always strict, so this should be false. Let's find out. Run it. We get false. Perfect. And I don't need the parentheses that I thought I needed. CoffeeScript's smart enough to realize that this is an expression and there's a space between that and our console.log. Beautiful. And if I do 5 double equals 5 here, like this, save it, come down here, run it, we get true. So CoffeeScript only allows that double equals, and it's always strict. So one more time, boom, save it. This is false. In JavaScript, this statement would be true. You can see CoffeeScript is just leaps and bounds above it in this department. Let's keep going. While we're here, we also have another way to use this comparison, this statement. Instead of double equals, we can use the word is. Sometimes the word is just flows better. It's more functional. It reads more like a sentence, I think. So we can say 5 is 5. We still get false. And if we say 5 is, let's just delete that. 5 is 5. Now this is true. Yep. So is can replace double equals in CoffeeScript, and sometimes it just flows better.